Hello. Oh boy, things are gonna start to get interesting around here. Well, we have an article off the Anime News Network here about the fine folks over at Dark Horse Comics putting what we'll call the clamp, if you will, down on two new properties, Angelic Lair and Tokyo Babylon. They're going to be doing them in what is referred to as omnibus style, which is when you take which for those who don't know by definition what that means is an anthology consisting of one or more related novels, sometimes with the addition of other short works in the same setting. Well, it was reported through MTV's Geek News that Dark Horse Comics director of Asian Publishing, Michael Gambos, confirmed that the North American publisher will be releasing the following: Angelic Layer and Tokyo Babylon, formerly of Clamp, formerly properties of Clamp, excuse me, later this year. They also intend to publish enhanced editions of the manga adaptation of Fully Cooley. And for those wondering, Dark Horse also pulled the same treatment with the following other mangas: Chobits, Magic Knight Rayearth, Cardcaptor Sakura, and Clover. Those were, by the way, Tokyo Pop releases at one time. Link will be in the description so that you can read this article if you choose to, and let me know what you think about this. Do you think that Dark Horse publishing other versions of their own version of a manga or a revised version of a manga is a good thing, a bad thing, or you just don't care? Y'all let me know, and I'll talk to you later tonight. Later, gang.